Do you guys want t-shirts that actually conform to your body, that make you look good instead of just drooping? This video is for you. What's going on, guys? My name's Chris. I'm back with you with another product review video. This one is going to be for the clothing company Into the AM, and they do graphic tees, they do basic tees, boxers, workout tights, joggers, hoodies, anything that you particularly like. A lot of really awesome graphic tees. This one has a astronaut on the front of it. I really dig it because I'm big into a lot of the stocks and currencies right now, and we like to say going to the moon. So astronaut is kind of like, let's go to the moon with stocks rising. They have some awesome graphic tees, and they're actually running a special right now. With my link below in the description box, you're gonna get 10% off whatever you do order. They're running a 3 graphic tee for $60. With my code, you get an additional 10% off, or they're running a 3 basic tee for $45. Using my code below will get you 10% off of that. We'll show you guys these a little bit more close up, but right here is another graphic tee. This is a Vapor Space tee in the dark color. I'm wearing a medium right now. I'm 5'9", about 150 to 155 fluctuation. Number one, it is summertime. It's not a thick t-shirt, but it's not a super thin t-shirt either. It's a very nice athletic fitting t-shirt, meaning that it hugs my muscles, which I really like. A lot of these t-shirts these days just kind of droop and sag. This one is holding the contour of my body, and I like it. I look good in it, and it feels good. It's airy, it's breathable. This again is the graphic tee, so is this one. And here are the basic tees. We of course will be testing these out. This is in the gray color. These are regular necks. They do make V-necks as well. And here is a black basic tee as well. So once again, the basics and the graphic ones right here. They also have boxers as well. I'm actually gonna be using these in the gym tonight. Pumped about that, seeing how these feel. And these are the Cloud Knit 5-inch boxer briefs, and I got that in medium size as well. And this one right here is called the Universal Love, and it's actually, I think, glow in the dark. That's what it says. And if it does glow in the dark, pretty sweet. The shirts are tagless, and they also have a nice little logo patch down at the very bottom of the t-shirt. They are printed in the USA, made in Nicaragua, and it's 60% cotton, 40% polyester. And what I really like about these type of boxers is, number one, the elastic band up top, but this material right here for breathable in the gym with that 8% elastane, 92% micro moldal. What that does, it's almost like a dry wick. It just feels great. You're not tugging at your crotch the whole time, and they just feel absolutely fantastic. I mean, I haven't even put them on yet, and that material is great. Like every pair of my boxers are this type of material. It just feels so much better than your typical cotton boxers. And the basic tees are the same thing, 60% cotton, 40% polyester, with just a simple logo on them. And here's the black one here with a white logo there. All right, let's get to the gym. We're gonna test this out, see how it feels. Not to mention if just going out, hanging out with the friends, or even a nice casual date night. All right, we're in the gym. We just got to the gym. We're wearing the basic tee tonight. It's feeling good, looking good, athletic feel to it. We're gonna work out and let you know how it does. Stay tuned. Just got done with my session at the gym. Everyone's gone. I'm the last one to leave. The shirt held up amazingly. I can literally play a ring out 16 ounces of water out of this thing. It held the water beautifully, even though I'm seriously drenched in sweat. It felt good. I was able to breathe through the shirt during the workout. The basic tee passed the test. I don't know if I want to sweat my graphic tee up too much. I really like that one. But so far, they passed the test. They feel super comfortable. I'm impressed. Well, guys, the t-shirts have passed my test. I love the cut of them. Again, athletic fit. They wrap my muscles. This one hasn't even been washed yet. My black one after the gym is in the wash right now. Not to mention the boxers felt great as well during my whole entire workout. I'm looking forward to getting my hands on more of those as well. I got my basic gray one on right now. And of course, don't forget your graphic tees. Guys, use my link below if you want to get an extra 10% off. You're not going to be disappointed. And also, before I forget, they're offering you a free month with their t-shirt club if you guys want to go that route as well. Use my code below for 1 free month of their t-shirt club. That's a pretty sweet deal in my opinion. If you have a dad bod right now and you want to kind of hide up some of those lines and kind of get a little bit more nice fill up top, kind of hide that belly a little bit, you know, work on that goal, get in the gym. Or if you're an athletic guy and you like more of a nice comfortable shirt with some curves, both shirts are gonna do you just fine. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button, check out those links below, and stay tuned because I will also be reviewing some other products by the company. So make sure you're subscribed for that. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. My name's Chris. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.